So today we have something special, an auto unboxing. Hopefully it will complement the watch which we are unboxing, which is the, as you've seen for the title, SBDC101/SBP143. Just received it, and let's see what's up. So nice box here. Okay, let's see. Tom tom tom. Manuals 6R35, the movement. Nice, very nice. SBDC101. Been waiting for this for a while, actually since March or April when it was first announced. Look at that sunburst dial. Nice. Alright, sorry for the shakiness and the overall clunkiness of the video. Try to do my best. So yes, this is the SBDC101/SBP143 on my 7-inch wrist. Still getting first impressions of it, but I like it. I really like it. As you can see, it wears very well. And as always, I always say that the mobile camera makes things look larger, so it wears even better in real life. Now let us move towards the sun, when you will see the sunburst effect. Yes, God, that's applied markers. You see, it looks so well on the dial, which plays beautifully with the sunlight. This is the profile.